In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Google Business Profile reviews. Now, it's important to know right from the start that you can't directly transfer Google Business Profile reviews from one listing to another. However, Google may automatically transfer them when you make certain business changes, like moving your business to a new location while keeping the same business name. So if you're considering relocating or making other significant modifications to your business, you might find that Google handles the transfer of reviews on its own. But sometimes you might need to take an extra step and request Google to help you migrate those reviews. This process isn't as daunting as it might seem, and I'm here to walk you through it. To begin, you'll want to head over to Google's support website. Simply visit support.google.com business/shuffle. Once you're there, you'll encounter a form that needs to be filled out. When you start filling up this form, in the first drop-down menu, select the business for which you are looking to migrate the reviews. This selection is crucial, so make sure to double check that you've picked the correct business from the list. Next, move on to the second text box and type in Migrate Reviews. After entering this, click on Next to proceed forward. Now, Google will offer you a set of suggested concerns based on what you've entered. Here, it's important to choose Migrate Reviews from the suggested concerns. If, however, this option doesn't appear for you, no worries at all, just click on Others and then continue by clicking on the next step. Moving ahead, Google will present you with articles and resources that relate to migrating reviews. These resources can be incredibly helpful if you want to understand more about the process. Take a moment to glance through them if you have the time, and when you're ready, scroll down and click on the next step. Finally, the last step involves contacting Google Support directly. You'll find the option to email the Google Support team to request a migration of your reviews. Make sure to clearly explain your situation and provide any necessary details they might need to assist you efficiently. And there you go, you've now navigated through the process of requesting Google to transfer your business profile reviews. Knowing how to handle this can be a real game changer, especially if you're undergoing a big transition like moving locations. Just remember, patience is key as you wait for Google to process your request. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today.